Let's introduce Animator Manager script. Animator Manager handles all transition between animation states. This is the script that allows make transitions without explicit transitions in the animator. In the inspector we have some parameters. Transition duration is the time to make transition between states. Greater values make smoother transitions. This is the default value to be used, but can be overwritten for any ability if you want. Below transition duration, there are 5 parameters that are used in the animator. The name of each parameter must match with Animator Controller. Let's open Animator Controller to check it. As you can see, all parameters has the name of the Animator Controller parameter. Left foot and right foot are parameters to be used with another package, Footstep Sound System and Foot Placement IK, also available on the Unity Asset Store. Now, let's see how to use some methods from Animator Manager in the script. Imagine you are using grounded state and you want to change animation state to roll. To do this, you can use a method called setAnimatorState. In the new state parameter you have to put the name of the state, in our case, roll. You also have to set transition duration, the time to reach next state, and which layer this animation will happen. Many times, we want to use the base layer and the default transition duration used in the inspector. So, there is a variation of this method to put only the new state name. In this case our transition would happen in the base layer, with 0.1 seconds of duration, previously set in the inspector. Animator Manager has static properties for layers. You can call them directly by code. They are listed here. Animator Manager also have methods to change parameters listed in the inspector. Use the methods below to change their values. Damp time allows smooth value transition. Setting it to 0 makes value change instantly. If you do not set this value, system will use the transition duration default value set in the inspector.